Hello, foodies. Welcome or welcome back to my channel Tasty Treats by Nikki to the English series of my recipes. And today we are going to make veg chow mein noodles. Very easy and simple recipe to be made. I have made many more Chinese and Italian recipes. So today I am getting something different for you all. So let's start with the recipe. So the pasta and the noodles boiling or cooking process is the same. I'm not going to mention anything below, just a brief explanation here. So I have added here 2 to 3 cups of water or glass of water. Next goes in salt. Not too much of salt, just a very little salt for it, because I'm using one packet of noodle here. Next goes in oil, a very little oil, just because, just to prevent the sticking of the noodles with each other. Once you start getting boil in the water, as you can see in the video, start adding your noodles, and then we have to wait until the noodles cook nicely and properly. So once this is done, don't worry, don't take stress. Slowly and gradually the noodles will start getting inside the water. Keep stirring in between. It will just take about 10 minutes for the noodles to boil up. As you can see, this is about to be done. Now I'm going to shift it to the other gas stove. This is because about to be done, and I'll proceed with the recipe ahead. So first in the fry pan we are going to add in oil. 2 tablespoons of oil I am adding in here. Let the oil heat up nicely a little. My gas is on high flame. Now I am adding in here finely chopped garlic. So I have used here 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. The noodles are getting done on the next gas, as you can see. We are not going to let the garlic turn brown or golden. We're just going to saute this a little. Next ingredient goes in is carrot. So here I have taken one small size of carrot and I have diced them into juliennes like this. So the vegetables size has to be equal. Whatever vegetable you are using, the size should be equal. Now we are going to let the carrots cook or fry in the oil until they are 50% done, because we are still going to cook them ahead. So once the carrots are, you feel that they are 50% done, add in capsicum. So here I have used 1.5 small size of capsicum. Again, I have chopped them or diced them into long juliennes. As I mentioned, the size of the vegetables should be, the chopping size of the vegetables should be same. Cook it nicely, saute it nicely, then goes in onions. So here again you can see the onions are also in juliennes, and 2 to 3 onions I have used here. Saute the onions nicely. So for all Chinese and Italian recipes, remember that the vegetables you are using should not be fully cooked. They should be half cooked, like 80% cooked. Next I'm adding in here salt as per taste. After adding the salt, again you need to saute the vegetables a little. Be quick with it, because once you add the salt, the onions will start releasing water and they may turn very soft. So don't let that happen. Just saute it for 1 to 2 seconds and then proceed ahead. Next I have added here 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it nicely, saute it nicely until the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone and you start getting that beautiful smell out of it. the aroma of ginger garlic paste is so soothing when you're cooking. So this is just 2 to 3 seconds. And moving ahead, next we're going to add in the sauces. So in goes dark soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Next goes in vinegar 1 teaspoon. Next we are going to add in red chili sauce 2 tablespoons. Again, just saute the vegetables with the sauces. Just for 2 seconds. And moving ahead, adding some more sauces here. Next goes in peri peri sauce 2 tablespoons. Then I'm adding in here Szechuan chutney 2 tablespoons. Again, we are going to saute it all together. Not more than 3 seconds. Just saute it. Sauteing is like mixing here. This you just have to mix it all together. We are not going to cook the sauce. We just want to mix it nicely, and that's done. Add in your boiled pasta. So this is one whole packet that you get, that simple wala packet that you get in the market. So this is that one full packet. But on a small one, the bigger packet that you get, this is that. Mix it nicely so the sauces and the vegetables, the noodles coat the sauces well, and everything is done and mixed well. So here, this is ready. The noodle is ready. Remember to be very gentle when you're mixing the noodles, otherwise you will tend to break the noodles. Next, last but not the least, I'm adding in here finely chopped green onions. So I have used a little onion part and the rest the leafy part of the green onion. Mix it nicely. The gas is on low flame. Remember, now there's no more cooking here. Mixing it a little, and then I'm going to turn off the gas. So this is nicely mixed. Turning off the gas. And yes, this is ready. So let's move ahead towards the plating section of the recipe. And believe me, this is going to be delicious. And this is a very fast cooking recipe. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. You will also enjoy eating it. So do try the recipe, and we'll wait for your feedbacks in the comments. And if you like the recipe, please do like the video. Share the video as much as you can, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.